You have challenges. NASA has innovation and research to help. Additive manufacturing is used to create complex and unique parts for aerospace applications. However, the complicated manufacturing process can cause unexpected conditions that results in variability within the final part. This can cause variability in the performance of the parts made with additive manufacturing. Richer data sets and computational modeling capabilities can help improve this process. With this challenge in mind, researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a computational approach called Additive Manufacturing Model-Based Process Metrics that quantifies the way additive manufacturing fuses material in precise incremental steps.
Our method of generating a model for additive manufacturing enables rapid calculation of precise process conditions throughout the additive manufacturing process. It is this speed that it's been designed for that enables on the front end designers to get direct feedback throughout the process, every turn, every line, and then on the back end, after the build has been completed, monitoring signals can be directly compared and contextualized with the input signals. Because it's so fast to calculate, it can be useful on the design side and the assessment side, and then bring down costs associated with quality assurance of additively manufactured parts.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public, maximizing the benefit to the nation. To learn more about how the additive manufacturing model-based process metrics can help with your product development, email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.